unrivaled performance. Our team of experts takes your ride to the next level. From horsepower gains to custom enhancements, we deliver results. Late model racecraft. We talking or we racing?
All right, guys, something a little different today. Normally I'm talking after the car's finished, and I just say how we pull the engine out, put a camshaft in it, valve springs, blah, 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 and it's back together and you don't really see much. So today I want to just show you all a little bit of breakdown of one of our Escalade V packages and some of the parts that we install that y'all don't get to see every day on most of our videos that we do. So starting off, as you can see, the ECM and TCM, we have to pull out, send the HP tuners for a complete unlock process. That is so we can tune the complete ECM and the TCM. Next, we'll go ahead and do supercharger. These things come with 2650s from the factory, and even like our 1.7s, we send a Kong to do the complete port work on the supercharger. From there, we custom build our own elbows to adapt from the supercharger to the throttle body. So we run a 103 Nick Williams throttle body. Again, that's really where the restriction is on a package like this. After that, it breezed through the S&B Cold Air. From that, I always say, hey guys, cam, springs, blah, blah, blah. Obviously, aftermarket camshaft from our guys at Cam Motion. Again, we grind every cam specific to the package that the customer's getting. After the camshaft, these things have all the LT stuff has variable valve timing. What we do is we run the billet front cover with the different cam gear to delete the phaser inside of it. So instead of, you can save money and run the stock cover and keep the factory variable valve timing, and we can put a lockout in it, but sometimes that can fail, so we go this route to completely delete that. From there, we have, again, the camshafts going in it, rocker arms here. These have trunnions, they're needle bearings inside of here. What we do is a trunnion mod. So we take these apart, we put them in a press, pop these out, press this in, gets rid of needle bearing and any kind of failures for the rocker arms. With the higher lift camshaft, a hardened push rod is needed. Y'all can see it's a Cam Motion 7850 push rod here. And as far as oil pumps go, every build is different, guys. So depending on how many miles are on the vehicle, we can either reuse a factory oil pump, or a lot of times we recommend the high volume K-Tech oil pump. As always, new spark plugs, colder spark plug, fire core wires, obviously a new belt for the supercharger because we're spinning the supercharger harder. Breather for it, y'all can see it's a custom breather, and we vent this thing to the back of the vehicle so y'all don't have any cab smell from inside. That's what a lot of these fittings are for. And yeah, Marcos is now putting the double valve spring kit with titanium retainers, keepers, locks, and seals on it right now. Oh, and then, yeah, sorry, headers on this one. So this one's getting Cooks. We usually run American Racing or Cooks depending on availability. They're both stainless steel real headers that will outlive the life of the vehicle. No Chinese stuff around here. And yeah, like I said, Marcos is now putting the double valve spring kit in it now, titanium retainers. There's the keepers and locks, and there's the valve seal. And yeah, I'll let him take it away. Do your thing, Marco.
Going good.
Do your thing, son. Did I miss anything? I think that's it. And so what makes the Escalade V's a little bit different is every other LT4 that we do, LT1 has displacement on demand. We talked about the variable valve timing. The other cars have what's called displacement on demand. So the lifters, 4-cylinder shut off, we replace lifters. On the Escalade V's, just like the 19 ZR1s, they do not have displacement on demand, so we do not have to put head bolts on it, head gaskets on it, or change the lifters out. So something a little bit different with the Escalade V compared to some of the other LT4, LT1 combinations. But besides that, that's it. I'll let Marcos get this thing finished. I hope y'all enjoyed this, guys. Comment below if y'all want to see more stuff like this in our videos. How you like that, guys? 784 rear wheel horsepower. That's over 250 rear wheel horsepower gain from stock. I want to say, I think it baselined right at 526 rear wheel horsepower, 492 rear wheel torque. Now it's sitting, y'all saw 784 rear wheel horsepower. Torque numbers are great too. 634 rear wheel torque. Mr. Tennyson is from Oregon. It's a perfect vehicle for him to daily drive up through the trails that he has, completely different from down here in these flat roads here in Texas. But stoplight to stoplight, this thing's gonna be a monster. I wanna hop in it now and show y'all what this thing can do. All right, guys, Mr. Tennyson's fired this thing up. This one has a good sized camshaft in it. I try to go off of water bottles in here. It's not shaking too bad, but on the outside, you definitely hear this thing camming its ass off. It sounds so good. But yeah, it's actually pretty smooth for the size can that it has in it. We are gonna go ahead, traction control on. I do have it in V mode, and I'm gonna put it in manual mode to test the shift points. Let's launch it a couple times, see how she does. I'll probably go first, second, and third gear, and then we'll try to do from a roll, and then maybe another dig again. Again, we're in 100-degree weather out here. It's kind of miserable. But traction control on. God. Exhaust sounds so good for a car that you can hop in and drive every day. That felt so good. Let's do a quick roll, and then I'll go back and do a dig again. Most customers with these things, stoplight to stoplight's where it's at. All-wheel drive, dead hook and go. Again, 784 rear wheel horsepower, is over 630 rear wheel torque. These things are monsters. They're heavy vehicles, but so you got to have that horsepower and torque to get them going. And obviously, we're tuning the transmission. That's what I'm going over now. I'm logging everything that we're doing right here. So if I have to adjust the shift points later, I can. But for instance, I have it in manual mode, and it's gonna auto upshift for us. So here, I'll put it in second. Act like someone pulls up next to us that wants to play. We just downshift it, get it the right RPMs. It's pretty impressive to throw you in the seat like that in a heavy vehicle like this on pump gas. Go to the gas station, put 93 octane in this thing, and absolutely have a blast. I think Mr. Tennyson's gonna love this. And we've been building a lot of these Escalade Vs here lately, and we've kind of had customer preference on whether they want to hear the big camshaft at idle or to do more of like a stealth light cam. And it's kind of been 50-50. I thought, believe it or not, some customers or more I think would want more of a stealth cam because these Escalades are so nice, and how well they drive and how smooth they are from the factory. But us gearheads, just like Mr. Tennyson, want that camshaft sound. It sounds sick at idle. So it really is customer preference, and y'all hear me say in a lot of my videos, guys, that's why we offer the packages that we do. This is our stage 4 package, but depending on the customer, we do a stealth cam, or we can do a camshaft like this that just sounds absolutely sick. So I'm gonna turn around, I'm gonna launch this thing again. Oh, they're so much fun to drive. Again, traction control on. I just have it in V mode, and I'm just foot braking it. Nice and safe, just like a customer would from a stoplight. Someone pulls up next to them, stop to about 2,000. Shit, so good. Super impressive. I absolutely love these things. As y'all can see, guys, I'm making stop and roll pulls back to back. IATs are still really good. We don't spin the superchargers crazy hard on these, mainly because of the fueling. With 93 octane, we can't go crazy with it. But like, man, these first gear pull, so much fun. Alright, I think y'all get the point. I'm gonna stop, check out the logs. They're shifting pretty good. It's actually shifting really good. I just need to check the shift points and see actually where it's at. And if I need to make any changes, I will. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. You Cadillac Escalade V owners out there, Blackwing owners out there, go to our website, fill out an inquiry. We will get you taken care of. We have several options to choose from depending on what platform you have. And again, just know, guys, our package is just a starting point to give you an idea of rough horsepower per dollar, and then obviously we can modify the package to meet your needs and goals. So as always, please comment below, let me know what y'all guys think about Mr. Tennyson's beautiful 24 Escalade V, how it turned out. I absolutely love it. The horsepower we're seeing out of these things, it's incredible to hop in them and drive them every day like this. It's so much fun. All right, it's camming a little bit better now. It's got some heat in it. Y'all can see it shaking a little bit. But inside the car, sitting here, you don't feel it like rocking side to side like we do the Corvettes. It's actually pretty smooth. You can just see it right there. So besides that, man, this thing is absolutely fun. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. Until next time. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give it a like if you liked it so far. And please turn on bell notifications for future content, as we have cool stuff in the pipeline that you're going to want to see. And as always, please comment below.